Hello awesome viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss size assertion. You can already see on the screen we have discussed response assertion and a duration assertion. So if you want to see how the template is created, I will add the video on the right corner of the screen, that is response assertion. So next, on the other video we have seen duration assertion. I will also add that on the right corner of the screen so that you can revise response and duration assertion. So in this video I am going to add a size assertion. Without any further ado, let us start the video. So for that guys, I'll add assertions, size assertion. So in our previous video you would have seen the responses and you can see the size. The size is almost 24,000 bytes. So let me add 25,000. So you can click on size assertions. You can see the full response or response headers, response body or response code. So we'll see the response body size. See, this is the size we are going to see. So let us click on size assertion. Let me add 27,000 bytes. Alright. So let me go to our thread group. Let me put it for 5 users. So let me clear the screen. So let me run this time. So let us see whether if we have failures or not. So everything got failed. So everything is size assertion. So okay, so it got 24,258 bytes, should have been 27,000. So we should not give exactly equal to, this is a type of comparison. I'll write less than equal to 27,000. So any response which is less than 27,000, it will pass. We'll see the assertion results. It is like this. So all the HTTP requests we have seen. The second one, 2 cases it failed, duration assertion and size assertion. Duration we would have seen in the previous video. We gave 700 milliseconds as a duration. Anything above than that, the request will fail. So now let me go to view results tree. Let me close this. So let me run it again. So now let's see how many requests we'll get pass. So now second got failed, fourth got failed. Let us see what is assertion. So yeah, it took 737 milliseconds, 51,000 bytes of data, 51,764. So let us see what exactly why it got failed. We are using the same, okay, we are using the other API. That's why it got failed, right? So let us use only the countries API. So I'll copy this file, I'll paste it here. So I'll put this API CSV params, and what I'll do, I'll rename this as countries API. So API CSV countries. Okay. Let me open this. So I don't want summary API. Summary API is big. So let me close this for now. Let me delete this. So now we have saved it. So let me copy this, copy as path. So let me add it here. So CSV data config. So let me Control A, Control V. So now let us see for 5 users. So now let me go to view results tree. Let me remove this. So let me run it now. So I don't want to save it. So this third one got failed. That is duration assertion. It took 1093 milliseconds, almost a second. So if you want to see in the table, you can see. So size sample time was okay. Only the third one got more than 700, and the bytes we have exactly 24,954 bytes. This is the assertion results for size assertion, duration assertion and response assertion. So that's it for the video guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care, have a great day, bye bye.